Alright guys, so today is a beautiful Saturday morning. Hope you guys have a wonderful day as well. I'm heading to downtown LA for a yellow car only cars and coffee. Let's see how it goes. Oh yeah, get that picture.
Here often enough to I'm used to that.
Wow. Look at this. Compared to the size of the Ferrari F50, wow. That's crazy.
If you want to do it, just do the kissing.
We got the FoolRarri here at the yellow car show, or cars and coffee. We got all the yellow cars here. Oh, look at this. This thing is such a beauty. We got the Supra.
They were like, yo, do you want to do like a...
Look at this NSX, so clean. Very nice. S2Ks, FRS, Civic Type R. Pretty cool. And here we also have a NSX. Very clean car. With the Red Bull livery.
Oh no, people are his favorite thing ever. Come on, let's get out of the way.
Good morning, how are you?
Really? This is a coming yellow.
Look at that dog.
It's gonna run you over.
Huh? Yeah, we're gonna race anywhere on the right.
Guess what? When I was turning in, there was literally a lady on the opposite side of the road gave me the freaking middle finger. Freaking haters, man. She was like fucking dork. Oh man, pissing people off. Oh, got a TVR. That is such a rare car here in America. Very cool. Look at all these yellow cars. Yellow on yellow on yellow, baby. Look at this F50 right here. Oh my god, guys, look at the nicest plate on the NSX Ferrari.
What we got? All the way in.
This car sounds so good with the aftermarket exhaust. Sounds like a freaking F1 car.